name?
Yo, my name's Zack. This is my large Banshee amp. I got blue pimp light rims on Hope Hubs, Fox 36 float on it, Sunline bars, and Husfelt stem. Profile BMX cranks down there, some bebop pedals that I got at Sea Otter, Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, custom scooter grip, just, you know, comes right off, you see. It's good like that. It's really nice for like inverts and stuff because it just slides around when I want to twist my hand around there. But that's pretty much my bike. Don't know what kind of seat this is. It's made out of like 4 different ones or something. So yeah, that's about it.